Welcome to Tiglit Shores. I'm with my mate Adrian and Purple Peril, and we're going to show you how easy it is to hop on and off a train on your boot scooter.
Right, anyway. As I said, we're on Norwich Station and here comes our train. So follow me and we'll see how we go and get on and then go from there, yeah?
Yep.
I think down here, mate. Right. Very noisy. Not quite the one I was expecting, but it'll do. And you should be able to drive in. There we are. Right, you try and pull next to me, yeah? Right, here we go. Oh dear. Right. That was a bit of a bump. And that was a bit of a bump. But other than a bit of a bump,
We're on.
we're on. So that's how you get your train on. So hopefully we're recording and we will pause now and then we will resume when we get off.
You
Hit
to
your
push
button
that
once
again.
more. Yeah.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
So we just drive over there and turn round, yeah?
Norwich,
Oh,
this train will now take
Right,
Go on then.
go. Okay. And then we turn round and that should hopefully show everybody, you know what it's saying, and that should hopefully show everybody how easy it is to get their scooter on the lot.
yes.
And it is very easy. We'll let them go ahead of us and then we poodle up, let the crowd go past and then we can poodle up behind them sort of thing. Right, anyway, I'll go down here and see if we can get out, and if I have to, I'll take my phone out, but I don't know. I'll try and bluff my way through.
Aye.
Can I get... Thank you. The mate's behind me as well. Thank you very much, mate.
134,
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
That's handy. We didn't have to, mind you, knowing me, I'll probably muck up the audio anyway, but hopefully we haven't.
No, yeah. We've got something.
But anyway, here we are. We're in Norwich, everyone. We're not going to have a trip around the station just yet. We are just going to head to the Queen of Iceni, aren't we?
That fits on the handlebars all right, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's not a bad thing. But I'm not, you know, it's the height sort of thing, 'cause it doesn't give you much of a rear view. It just has your beautiful face in it. Right, and we know this is Norwich Station and we know we're going down here because that's where we're heading.
That's a lot nicer under here. Keep out that wind.
Right, this is another thing I find confusing when you can cross. Oh, stop! Oh, too late. Anyway, that's confusing. Very confusing.
That's a bit hairy, nipping over there. City centre, 1¼ miles. Can't see any signs for what this place is called. Don't know whether you can see that or not. But that is a lovely, lovely building. Pizza Hut. £5 cocktails.
Down there is the Odeon. Anyway, I'll just be going front the Queen of Iceni.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. There we are, inside the Iceni, Queen of Iceni.
Just get it for you.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, get the out of these stars.
Lovely.
There
Thank
you
you.
go.
Thank you very much. Marvellous.